thanks for hanging out with me. I want to talk to you about what are your reasons why you would not get the Volkswagen ID.3 first edition, so the launch edition, or why would you not get the car at all? Maybe it's just not your thing, or what I mean is you pre-ordered it or you're thinking of buying it and then you get to know more about the car and then you change your mind. What would that be? So for me, launch edition is simple. If it costs too much and it has features in there that I don't need, I'm not buying it. I'm waiting for the normal edition, if you want to call it that way. It doesn't have to be launch edition. I'm totally honest. I'm intrigued and I would like to have the car before other people, and I want to drive the car and show off a bit the first edition. I'm honest, yes, that would be nice, but it wouldn't be worth a lot to me. So if, like I said, there would be stuff in there that I really don't need, then I wouldn't buy it if it's too expensive. Why would I not get the ID.3 at all? I mean, of course, if the drive feel sucks, if the region sucks, I don't know, it's too low, or how you adjusted everything sucks, then that would be a reason for me to not get the car. If the consumption would be too high and the range wouldn't be that what they said, so I know what the size of the battery is and I know how other cars would work with that kind of battery, but maybe, I don't know, the drivetrain is not very efficient and the drag is not very good. It's very high, and so consumption is maybe way higher than I think, and then the car would not be interesting to me. I want good charging speed, of course, so if they say 100 kilowatt and then it tops out at 60, I don't know, I don't see the point. So I want, if I drive normally in the summer, I'm not racing, I want my 400 kilometers of range easy. That's what I need. And if I drive highway, 130 kilometers an hour, or in the winter, again with the normal driving, I want 300. That's all I want. And Kona was no problem with that. Kia e-Niro, no problem. So they have to beat those two, Volkswagen has to beat those two cars, then I'm interested. Like I said, with the specs, it all sounds very interesting to me, because it's a small car, and how it's all, and it's new and everything. I hope they can deliver. I really hope. We'll see. But and with the launch edition, I have no idea if I dare to order a car in September if I haven't even driven it. So when in September they show it, and then you might be able to put a real order down, so contract and everything, a binding one. I don't know if I want to do that if I haven't driven it, and I mean not 2 minutes, I mean a day, or at least 5 hours. I have to drive, see how is the consumption, how is the drive feel, everything works, is it all okay, and then when it's at 30% battery, I want to charge it and see when does it throttle down, at what speed. This is what I need to know, and then I can say I want this car, that's what I need, and of course the price. What do you think? What is your what would be your reason if you're interested now, but in September you get to know something and then you won't buy it? I want to know. It's interesting. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.